Taurus, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus placements, and of course, sa ating mga cross-watchers. Ayan, maraming salamat po. Welcome back po dito sa Bottom Magas PH. Ayan, so ngayong buwan, Taurus, may mga bagay na finally magsisettle. Okay? May darating na clarity at may opportunities na matagal mo lang hinihintay na sa wakas, bubukas na. Anong mensahe ng universe para sa iyo sa love, kaperahan, career at spiritual journey? Ayan, alamin natin dito sa mga tarot cards and oracle cards. So this is your monthly tarot reading for the month of December 2025. Napaalala lang, Taurus, at sa lahat po ng ibang zodiac signs na nanonood, cross watchers, lahat po ng readings ko dito sa YouTube ay general reading lamang po. So ibig sabihin, hindi po lahat ay makaka-resonate. Kunin nyo lang kung saan kayo nag-resonate, Taurus, at iwan iyong hindi. Okay. Kuha ako ng 4 na tarot cards. You have the Devil. Next, you have the Page of Wands. Next, you have the 9 of Pentacles. And you have the 4 of Pentacles. Now, kukuha naman tayo ng main energy mo for this month, Taurus. Kuha tayo ng isang oracle card for Taurus for the main energy this month. You have deep knowing. Okay. Now, for your romance and love, ano ang mga mensahe sa'yo ng universe and spirit guides mo this month, December 2025? For Taurus. Taurus, you have hideaway. Make time to be with your person. Create your own special hideaway. Ooh. Okay. Now, ano naman ang spirit animal ang gumagabay sa iyo, Taurus, this month? Ano ang mensahe ng guidance? You have crocodile. Okay, you need to tap into your feelings. Wise crocodile. Okay, now, pagdating naman sa inyong money and career, ano ang mensahe for you this month, Taurus, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus? Luck. Wow. Claim this. Wow, you have good luck. Sorry for the glare. Claim this luck, Taurus. Alright, Taurus, umpisahan na po natin. Alright, Taurus, let's start with your main energy this month. You have the Oracle, Deep Knowing. Okay, so, Taurus, ngayong December 2025, ang pinaka-dominating energy mo ay inner truth. Inner truth, awakened intuition, at self-mastery. The Oracle card, Deep Knowing, is telling you na this month, hindi ka maliligaw. Bakit? Kasi alam mo na ang totoo. Kahit hindi pa sinasabi ng ibang tao, kahit wala pang proof, kahit walang confirmation, your intuition is louder than ever. Okay, so deep knowing, trust what your soul already knows. So Taurus, this month, mas tatalas ang instincts mo, mas mabilis mo mahuhuli ang intentions ng mga ibang tao, mas mapapansin mo ang mga red flags, mas magiging aware ka sa patterns mo, mas malalalim ang connection mo sa universe. Parang sinasabihan ka ng soul mo, alam mo na ang dapat mong gawin, huwag ka nang matakot. Also, this card confirms may bagay kang matagal mo nang nararamdaman, and December brings proof, okay? Clarity and confirmation. Na kung may tao or sitwasyon na doubtful ka, tama ang kutob mo. Okay, pakinggan mo ang kutob mo kasi tama yan. And kung may direction ka na gustong simulan, this is your green light. Now, ipag-compare natin, let's combine your oracle card with the tarot cards. Let's start with the devil. Okay. So, the devil plus deep knowing means that now you see what's holding you back. Alam mo na ngayon, malalaman mo this month, Taurus, kung ano ang nag-hold back sa'yo. This is very powerful. The devil shows the change, no? Ito yung mga pumipigil sa'yo. Ito yung sumasagabal sa'yo, humaharang sa'yo, pumipigil sa'yo. Sa motivation mo, sa success mo, sa anumang bagay, sa anumang aspeto nyo ma-apply. Now, habang ang deep knowing shows the truth behind the change. So, meaning, makikita mo na kung sino o ano ang naglilimit sa'yo this month. Lalabas ang mga katotohanan sa isang sitwasyon, matatanggal ang mga ilusyon, makikita mo ang mga toxic pattern na kailangan mong putulin. And December is the month na finally masasabi mo, enough. Okay, hindi ko na hahayaang kokontrolin ako ngayon nito. Now, this is a spiritual awakening month for you, Taurus. Now, with the Page of Wands, this is a new direction guided by your intuition. Wow. So, kapag naputol mo, Taurus, ang mga old patterns this month, dito papasok ang mga bagong simula para sa'yo. The Page of Wands brings new energy for you. New ideas, new opportunities, new passion, new motivation. Pero ang kagandahan nito, hindi impulsive, kundi guided and divinely timed. So, hindi ito basta-basta desire. Ito ay soul-aligned action. It's the kind of new beginning that feels like, yes, ito ang para sa akin. Now, with the Nine of Pentacles, this is your rewards for choosing yourself. So, ito ang confirmation naman, Taurus, na your independence and self-worth will shine this month. So, you can expect better finances this month. You can expect increased confidence sa sarili mo, personal accomplishments, recognition, stability, comfort. Ayan. This card shows that the moment you break your old patterns with the devil, right, again, and follow your instinct with the deep knowing, plus the Page of Wands, abundance naturally flows sa'yo. So, December brings a taste of the life you've been building all year. Okay, para sa inyo. Now, let's move on sa Four of Pentacles. With the Four of Pentacles, this is you protecting your energy and your blessings this month, Taurus. So, ito ang reminder din ng universe for those of you who needs to hear this. Huwag mong ipa-access ang energy mo sa mga tao na hindi deserving, Taurus. Okay, protektahan mo ang pera mo. Ayan, huwag masyadong mag-share ng mga plans. Huwag overspending. Huwag magbigay ng access sa mga inggiterang tao. Huwag ibigay ang time mo sa mga nakakahigop ng energy mo. This month is about preservation. Okay, because what you're building with the Nine of Pentacles, again, remember with the Nine of Pentacles, it needs boundaries para mas tumibay at maprotektahan. Okay? So, overall, Taurus, this month, you are stepping into a higher version of yourself. Your guidance. Okay? Remember your guidance. Trust your intuition. Napakalakas nito ngayon. Release what drains you. You already know what it is. Okay? Follow the spark. Page of Wands is your new direction. And then enjoy your blessings with the Nine of Pentacles. That's the energy of abundance. And then guard your peace and your finances. This month, Four of Pentacles is the protection. So December 2025 is your month of awakening, clarity, and quiet success. Quiet success, claim it. You are entering the new year, Taurus, with a wiser mind, a cleaner heart, stronger intuition, clear direction, more energy, more confidence. So this is the month you will finally say, alam ko na ang worth ko at hindi ko na ito isusuko kahit kanino. Okay, ayan. So punta na tayo sa love and romance mo. You have the hideaway. Okay, you have the hideaway. So, Taurus, this is you creating your own sacred space together with the person that you are with, or if you are in a relationship. So, Taurus, ngayong December, this month, ang puso mo ay dadaan sa deep emotional clarity. May lalim, may healing, may realization. Pero may spark din ng passion at intimacy na babalik sa'yo. Now, this card is telling you that love this month is intimate, quiet, warm, and very meaningful. Hindi ito tungkol sa malaking gestures, hindi din ito about sa drama, hindi rin tungkol sa chase. It's about quality time, emotional connection, healing, conversation, rebuilding, closeness, pagkakaroon ng safe place sa isa't isa. So, na kung single ka, parang may bagong connection na gusto kang makilala ng mas personal. Someone who wants your time, your energy, your attention. Pero in a gentle and sincere way. Okay? Now, kung in a relationship ka na, this month strengthens the bond through one-on-one moments. Okay, so yung tipong sa dami ng tao, okay, ikaw at ako muna. Parang gusto ng person mo or gusto mo magkaroon ng bonding time. Alright, now, let's start with i-pair natin sa mga tarot cards. You have the Devil. So, this is breaking the fear that blocks the intimacy. So, in a relationship, in love, the Devil shows you the chains you need to break. Ano mga dapat ninyong putulin sa relationship or sa'yo mismo? Baka fear of getting hurt, baka trust issues, baka yung pag-overthinking, baka attachment sa past trauma for some of you. Yung iba sa inyo, baka emotional walls ang kailangang i-break, no? Or pagiging guarded, or a connection that feels strong pero scary. Pero the difference ngayon, Taurus, alam mo na ang nararamdaman mo. And December pushes you to confront what scares you about love. The Devil also will show you intense chemistry, intense attraction, and the kind of connection na mahirap bitawan. But this time, mas malalalim ang understanding mo kung bakit. Right? Punta tayo sa Page of Wands. Anong mensahe? Anong kapalaran? Okay, Page 1, this is a spark returns. Okay, sa mga ka-resonate. So, ito yung energy ng excitement sa love life mo. So, you can expect, with this energy, the hideaway and the Page of Wands, you can expect flirty conversations this month. May mga sudden messages. Someone making a move. Ayan. May reconnection din from the past. Okay, so kaway-kaway dyan sa mga gustong makipagbalikan at gustong bumalik ang kanilang mga past lovers or person, ayan. Or a new phase of passion for some of you. And also, light-hearted moments after heavy emotions. So, ito yung alam mo yung galing sa away, yung ilang months siguro kayong nagdumaan sa away to the point na akala ninyo na maghiwalay na kayo, and then biglang nangyari siguro, kasi nga, December is a month, Christmas season, right? So, baka sa tulong ng Christmas season, manunumbalik yung heavy emotions. So, this is the card of kilig that wakes you up after emotional heaviness. You will feel noticed, desired, appreciated. Now, if you're single, Taurus, someone new or someone familiar will show interest in you, and it will feel refreshing. Now, if you are in a relationship na, mas magiging playful and affectionate yung partner mo. And this card loves spontaneity. So, pwede kayong mag-date, mag-travel, or magkaroon ng private moment, hideaway together, kumbaga. Wow, diba? Saktong-sakto, December. So, maybe, yung iba sa inyo, may mga na kayo, nagbabalak kayo ng person ninyo na, magbakasyon. Right? Spend Christmas somewhere. Now, punta tayo. Let's proceed to 9 of Pentacles. Another next energy. Okay, so this energy, it means some of you, if not others of you, Taurus, you will attract love when you stand in your worth. So, this month, for some of you, Taurus, yung ilan sa inyo, your self-confidence is your magnet. Your love energy will improve because some of you natuto nyo nang i-value ang sarili ninyo. You value yourself because you know what you deserve, because you feel attractive, because you feel strong, and you feel independent, and you feel emotionally stable. So this is the month na mas gusto ka ng tao. Dahil mas mahal mo na ang sarili mo. Natutunan mong mahalin ang sarili mo. Right? So if you're single, Taurus, you are literally glowing. Alright, this month. And if you're taken already, your partner sees your growth and and feels inspired. So this card shows healthy love, not dependent love. Okay, with the 9 of Pentacles. Punta tayo sa 4 of Pentacles. Taurus, okay, this means protect your heart, but don't close it. Right? So this is a love reminder for some of you, Taurus. Don't overthink. For those of you who needs to hear this, this is a message for others of you. Okay, iba na naman tong mensahe with the 4 of Pentacles. Don't shut down. Don't hold back too much. Don't cling to fear. No? Huwag mong hayaan na ang takot ang magkokontrol ng puso mo. December is asking you to open your heart slowly but with boundaries. Kung may mga taong nagpapakita na hindi trustworthy, protect yourself. Pero kung may taong sincere sa'yo, huwag masyadong magtago. Okay, so overall, Taurus, this month for your love, December brings or will bring intimacy, reconnection, reconciliation, warmth, emotional safety, passion, confidence sa sarili, healings most especially, and quiet moments that bring you two closer. So love feels softer this month, deeper and more intentional. So you are being guided right now to allow someone to get close, make meaningful time with your person, heal old wounds, loosen your fear-based wall, enjoy the spark returning into your love life. So hideaway is a soul message na find your sacred space with this person. Whether bago o matagal mo nang kasama, love grows strongest, in quiet moments. Ayan, punta tayo. Let's proceed now sa spirit animal na gumagabay sa inyo this month, Taurus. You have the crocodile. Wise crocodile. So, ibig sabihin nito, you need to tap into your feelings. That's the message. So, ngayong Disyembre, Taurus, ang gumagabay sa iyo, again, ay wise crocodile. Isang animal spirit na may malalim na symbolism. Ancient wisdom, hidden emotions, instinct, may silent strength, self-discovery, confidence in your own timing. So, ang crocodile ay hindi mabilis kumilos, right? Pero, kapag kumilos, tama, tiyak, at may purpose. So, ganyan ang energy mo. The main message for you, this is clear. Tumingin ka sa loob. Tignan mo yung loob. Tap into your emotions this month. So, hindi lahat dapat ay isipin. Again, huwag kang mag-overthink. May mga bagay na dapat mo munang maramdaman. Pakiramdaman mo. Okay? Hindi lahat dapat pagdesisyonan agad. May mga bagay na kailangan mo munang pakiramdaman. So, December is a month of inner sensing. Hindi outer reacting. The crocodile will teach you or teaches you right now or this month to trust your gut, trust your intuition, trust what feelings are telling you. Your instincts are right, lalo na sa relationship, sa kaperahan at mga decisions sa buhay. So this is the same message ng deep knowing, no? Kanina alam mo na ang totoo, kaya very strong intuition mo dito. Now, samahin natin yung devil. Anong mensahe? Now, with the devil plus wise crocodile, this means that see the emotional root of your patterns. So, the devil card reveals or will reveal your emotional block this month. It will reveal your fears, mga kinakatakutan mo, mga past trauma, mga attachments, mga old habits, mga situations na nagkakadrain sa energy mo. Pero the crocodile will help you understand the deeper why, bakit, behind these patterns. So this month, Taurus, malalaman mo kung bakit ka nagre-react ng ganito, ganyan, bakit ka natatakot mag-let go, bakit ka nag-hold back, bakit mo tinatago ang feelings mo, siguro, o bakit ka naging guarded, or much more pa. Example lang yan. So this, kumbaga, this is an emotional awakening for some of you, and also a shadow healing, right? Now, let's proceed sa Page of Wands. Now, with the Page of Wands, this means move with inspired instinct this month. So, alam naman natin, the crocodile is very strategic. The Page of Wands naman is impulsive and passionate. So, together, they show a new beginning, a new desire, perhaps, or for some of you, it could be a new direction, or even a fresh spark. So, pero this time, mas mature, mas guided. So, kumbaga, you're not jumping blindly na. You will be acting because your soul tells you to. So, the crocodile says, wait muna, observe muna, then strike when the timing is right. So, kumbaga, this is divine timing in action. Okay? Punta tayo sa Nine of Pentacles. Now, with the Nine of Pentacles, you will rise when you trust yourself. So, kumbaga, the crocodile kasi gives you confidence dito. So, yung tipong tahimik pero matatag, right? So, this month, aangat ang self-esteem mo. Alright? With the Nine of Pentacles plus the crocodile. Aangat ang self-esteem mo, Taurus. Mas lalakas ang aura mo this month. Mas magiging stable ka emotionally. And mas secured ka financially. And then, mas independent ka. Independent ang energy mo. The Nine of Pentacles plus crocodile, ito yung energy kung saan a self-assured Taurus who knows their worth, kumbaga. People will admire you. People will be drawn to you. Your inner strength becomes your outer glow this month. Okay. Punta tayo sa Four of Pentacles. Now, the Four of Pentacles, this means protect your inner world. The crocodile here, dito, hindi siya nagpapakita ng vulnerability na ganun-ganun na lang ka-easy. Ganun ka rin this month. Okay? This message, kumbaga, sinasabi, huwag basta mag-open sa mga maling tao. Again, huwag ibigay ang energy mo sa mga nanghihigop or nakaka-drain. Huwag mag-overshare this month. Huwag magpabigay sa pressure ng ibang tao. Huwag kang bumigay. Huwag kang magpadala. Okay, wag basta sumunod sa gusto ng iba. Protect your emotions and your treasures, your time, your energy, your money, and your heart most especially. This is very emotional and energetic boundary, kumbaga. So again, overall, Okay? For your animal spirit message, Taurus, for this December. The wise crocodile brings a powerful transformation sa'yo. You will understand your own patterns. You will break free from emotional change. You will gain clarity through feeling, not forcing. You will trust your intuition more this time. You will move in silence but with confidence. You will take action only when it's aligned. You will protect your peace. You will rise stronger, wiser, and more self-aware. This month is not about loud moves. It's about smart moves para sa iyo. And it's not also not about rushing. Hindi pagmamadali. It's about perfect timing. You know, you are guided to become a quiet observer, a wise decision maker, a confident and emotionally strong Taurus. Someone who acts only when the moment is right. December is your inner power awakening. Ayan. Okay, punta na tayo sa last but not the least. For your money and career, you have luck. Wow, ang galing. Alright, so the actions, sabi dito, the actions you take now will lead to your abundant success and prosperity. Wow. So Taurus, ngayong Disyembre, you are stepping into a lucky, prosperous, and opportunity-filled month. Hindi ito swerte na biglaan, ito ay swerte na hinihila mo gamit ang effort mo, timing, at intuition at alignment. So, your luck this month is intentional, not accidental, hindi aksidente. So, believe that you're meant for abundance. This card is telling you the universe is aligning in your favor, aligning things in your favor. You're in the right place at the right time. Small actions will bring big rewards for you. Your mindset this month magkikreate sa iyo ng reality. And don't assume the worst, assume success. Assume success. Also, itong barahan na to nagpapakita or nagwa-warn sa iyo na yung perspective mo might be holding back your growth and luck. So, ibig sabihin, huwag kang mag-isip ng small. Don't think small. Don't doubt yourself. Huwag mong pagdudahan ng sarili mo. Don't be afraid to try. Don't let your fear of failure stops you. And huwag mong hayaang takutin ka ng devil card kanina. Luck is available for you this month. Pero kailangan mong sabayan ng faith at with action. Now, let's start with the devil. Okay, ito ang pinakamalaking block, balakid sa iyo, Taurus, this month ay takot. Some of you takot. Or maybe majority sa inyo takot. Fear of failing, fear of losing money, fear of making the wrong move, fear of expansion, fear of risk. For some of you, fear of being seen, fear of repeating past mistakes. The devil shows your money mindset shadow. But the luck card overrides it, right? That was the message. Your fear is smaller than your potential. Woo! Ang galing. Your fear is smaller than your potential. So, ibig sabihin, mas malaki ang potential mo. So, this is about confronting those fears. So, money can flow again. Now, with the Page of Wands, there's a new opportunity or idea that will bring income. Oh, Taurus, ano kaya yung idea na yan or opportunity na yan? So, ang Page of Wands dito gives you a new project, a creative idea, or maybe a new business spark, a new income source, or a new direction in career, or perhaps a new client, new sideline, new inspiration. Eto ang maganda. This idea, or whatever idea that you have right now, or ano man, noon, ngayon, ayan, or in the future, That idea is lucky, suerte. This opportunity or that opportunity is aligned. That action, this action, that action creates prosperity. Whatever action you take, whatever action you have in your mind, that risk is worth taking. Para itong suwerte na may kasamang opportunity. So kung may pinaplano kang business, new project, new content, new skill, new investment, new strategy this month, December is your green light, Taurus. Okay? Wow. Okay, punta tayo sa 9 of Pentacles. Okay, ito ang pinakamalakas na money card for December for you. Okay? 9 of Pentacles means financial stability, right? Comfort, personal success, sales increase, project completion, more income, confidence in your abilities, Taurus, and being rewarded for your hard work. So December brings visible improvements sa finances mo at sa career mo. Now, kung may investments ka, business, sideline, or career effort, may harvest ngayong buwan. Okay? This is the month na mararamdaman mo ang masasabi mo, finally, may resulta na sa mga pinagpaguran ko. May resulta na sa mga pinagsikapan ko. Okay, punta tayo sa 4 of Pentacles. Taurus, even though lucky ang energy na nandito, right? Dinadala ng card na ito, may advice sa iyo ang spirit guides mo ngayon. Save. Mag-save, mag-budget, be practical this month, avoid overspending, keep your plans quiet. Okay, protect your ideas, avoid lending money carelessly, maintain financial boundaries. This is not about restriction. It's about smart money management. Alam nyo yan, right? So your money is growing, but protect it. Alright, so overall, sa money and career mo, Taurus, December is one of your luckiest financial months of the year. So you can expect new opportunities this month, increased income, business growth, higher confidence, financial rewards, career progress, abundance mindset, more stability, success from bold actions. This month brings luck in action, kumbaga, meaning kung kikilos ka, may reward. Kung maglalakas loob ka, may babalik. Kung magtitiwala ka sa sarili mo, may swerte. Kung iiwanan mo yung mga fear mindset, magkakaroon ka ng breakthrough. So, December mantra mo, I create my own luck through courage and aligned action. And the universe will answer. Yes, Taurus, your prosperity is opening. I'm so sorry. Oh, tatalo yung aso ko. Alright, so, Taurus, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus placement, iyan po ang inyong reading para sa buwan na ito, December 2025. So, hopefully, nakatulong. Let me know if nag-resonate po sa inyong reading. Let me know in the comments. Like this video if nagustuhan niyo po. At sa mga hindi pa po nakapag-subscribe, huwag po kalimutang mag-subscribe at i-click yung notification bell, no? Para updated po kayo sa mga readings sa mga susunod na araw. Ayan. Now, Taurus, for those of you who are interested sa Destiny Path reading, okay? Ito yung bago kong online service, Career Path Reading. Iba po sa Tarot. Tarot private reading is you can submit questions. Doon yun sa Tarot. But with Destiny Path Reading, ako ang magbibigay ng Tarot. Wala kayong tatanungin. Kasi kung gusto mong malaman yung kapalaran mo, for 90 days up to 360 or up to 3 years if you want. Okay? For those of you na gustong magpabook, okay, punta lang po kayo. Actually, nakapost dito siya sa YouTube, but nakapost din po siya sa Bonnie Magos PH Facebook page ko. Yung may blue check, kasi verified na po ni Meta. So, yan po ang nagpapatunay na legit. So, make sure na legit ang pina-follow niyo at para hindi kayo ma-scam. Na nakapost dito ang description ng service. Destiny Path Reading. Okay? If you're ready to know your destiny, kapalaran, kumbaga. So, magkano? 2,500. This same price with private tarot reading. Pero, again, yung private tarot reading kasi, magtatanong ka, ano bang ipapahula mo? Alright? Specific questions. But with destiny, dito kasi, para kanino to? So, sino ang pwedeng magpa-destiny reading? Yung may mga taong puro angel numbers ang nakikita. So, if lately, within this year, palagi ka bang nakakita ng mga angel numbers, repeating numbers, then this is the sign. Kung may big decisions ka sa love, career, or kaperahan, if you're feeling stuck right now, naliligaw ka or lost, gusto mo ng direction at clarity, gusto mong malaman kung bakit may mga delays, gusto mong malaman ang paparating na blessings, at kung gusto mong i-activate ang best timeline mo. Alright, for those of you who are interested to book a schedule, ayan, again, 2,500 po. Mahaba po ang explanation nito, so I need your email address. Okay? Ayan, so, again, magpo-book lang. Message lang po kayo dito again sa Facebook page ko, Bono Magos page. For more information, inquiries about my online services, again, sa mga bagong items na naka-post dito, if you're interested to buy it, please, interested kayong bilhin, don't forget to take a screenshot. Makikita nyo dito sa products. Alright? Meron kasing shop store ang YouTube. Alright, so may price dyan. Andyan na rin yung description ng mga items. Alright, for more inquiries, mag-message po kayo sa akin sa Facebook page, Mona Magos. Maraming salamat, Taurus. Ingat po kayo and God bless.